Hello guys, we hope everyone is well. We are back with the second part. Do not forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell to receive all new updates. The culmination of months of grueling training and preparation had arrived. Ethan and his team were finally ready for their first real-world deployment. Their destination was a war-torn country, where a rebel group known as the Shadow Legion wreaked havoc and threatened the stability of the entire region. As their aircraft touched down in the heart of the conflict zone, Ethan felt a surge of adrenaline coursing through his veins. He and his fellow soldiers disembarked, their eyes scanning the surroundings with practiced vigilance. The air was thick with tension, the echoes of distant gunfire serving as a grim reminder of the task that lay ahead. Equipped with their advanced technology and training, Ethan's team wasted no time in engaging the enemy. They moved with precision and efficiency, neutralizing hostiles and securing key strategic locations. Ethan's neural interface proved invaluable, providing him with real-time tactical updates and enhancing his situational awareness. He coordinated with his teammates seamlessly, adapting to the ever-changing battlefield conditions. As they delved deeper into enemy territory, Ethan and his team encountered a heavily fortified rebel stronghold. The Shadow Legion had established a network of bunkers, tunnels, and defensive positions, making it a formidable challenge to penetrate. Undeterred, Ethan devised a plan to exploit the stronghold's weaknesses. Utilizing his technological prowess, Ethan hacked into the rebels' communication systems and planted a series of explosive charges at strategic points. With the element of surprise on their side, Ethan's team launched a coordinated assault, catching the rebels off guard. Explosions rocked the stronghold, creating chaos and confusion among the enemy ranks. Ethan and his team pressed their advantage, clearing the stronghold room by room, eliminating hostiles with surgical precision. They encountered fierce resistance, but their superior training and technology proved to be the deciding factor. The Shadow Legion's reign of terror was brought to an end, and peace and stability were restored to the war-torn country. Ethan and his team emerged from the conflict as heroes, their names etched in the annals of military history. Their successful mission demonstrated the overwhelming power of the Smart Soldier program and served as a testament to the extraordinary capabilities of the human mind when enhanced by cutting-edge technology. In the somber atmosphere of the debriefing room, Ethan and his team pored over the intelligence gathered from the recent skirmish. The enemy had unveiled a new weapon, a technological marvel powered by artificial intelligence, capable of wreaking havoc on an unprecedented scale. The military brass painted a harrowing picture of the consequences if this weapon fell into the wrong hands. It could upset the delicate balance of power, triggering a catastrophic conflict. The gravity of the situation weighed heavily on Ethan's mind. He knew that time was of the essence. Every moment spent in ignorance of this weapon's capabilities was a moment closer to disaster. His team, a skilled group of operatives handpicked for their expertise in covert operations, was tasked with a daunting mission: infiltrate an enemy base, gather crucial intelligence on the weapon's inner workings, and find a way to neutralize it before it unleashed its destructive potential. Ethan meticulously planned every detail of the operation. He studied aerial photographs of the heavily fortified enemy base, analyzing potential entry points and escape routes. He pored over intelligence reports, compiling a comprehensive profile of the enemy's security protocols and personnel. He left nothing to chance, understanding that the success of their mission hinged on flawless execution. As the day of the mission arrived, Ethan and his team prepared themselves mentally and physically for the arduous task ahead. They donned their sleek black uniforms, equipped with cutting-edge gadgets and weaponry. Their faces were grim, but their eyes burned with determination. They knew that the fate of nations rested on their shoulders. Under the cover of darkness, they infiltrated the enemy base, their movements like whispers in the wind. They bypassed laser grids, scaled sheer walls, and slipped past patrolling guards, their skills honed from years of rigorous training. The air crackled with tension as they navigated the sprawling complex, their every step bringing them closer to their objective. Finally, they reached the heart of the enemy's operation, a vast subterranean chamber humming with activity. In the center stood the weapon, an intricate network of machinery, glowing ominously. Ethan and his team moved swiftly, downloading data, planting surveillance devices, and gathering invaluable intelligence. With their mission accomplished, they retreated, leaving the enemy base as silently as they had entered. They knew that the hard part was yet to come, analyzing the data, understanding the weapon's capabilities, and devising a plan to neutralize it. But for now, they had bought the world some precious time. Their daring raid had revealed the enemy's hidden hand, laying bare their malevolent intentions. The world now knew the threat it faced, and Ethan and his team were at the forefront of the fight against it. As they regrouped and prepared for the next phase of their mission, a flicker of hope ignited in their hearts. They were ready to face the darkness, to protect their world from the looming threat of destruction. In the midst of their triumph, a dark shadow fell upon Ethan and his team. During a routine debriefing, Ethan uncovered a shocking revelation. A high-ranking military official, known only as the Phantom, was secretly working with the enemy, providing them with classified information and sabotaging missions from within. Ethan's heart sank as he realized the gravity of the situation. The Phantom posed a clear and present danger, not only to their team but to the entire military operation. Exposing the traitor was paramount, but doing so without jeopardizing the mission seemed like an impossible task. With the clock ticking, Ethan and his team devised a daring plan. They would use their advanced technology and training to gather irrefutable evidence of the Phantom's treachery without alerting him to their suspicions. Time was of the essence, as they knew that the Phantom would stop at nothing to eliminate anyone who threatened his clandestine operation. Ethan's neural interface became a crucial tool in their investigation. He used it to intercept encrypted communications, hack into secure databases, and track the Phantom's movements without leaving a trace. The evidence they gathered painted a damning picture of the Phantom's involvement with the enemy. As they closed in on the Phantom, Ethan and his team faced a harrowing choice. They could either confront him directly and risk compromising the entire mission or find a way to expose him without triggering a violent confrontation. The fate of the operation and the lives of countless soldiers hung in the balance. With unwavering determination, Ethan and his team executed a flawless plan, exposing the Phantoms to the highest levels of command. The traitor was swiftly apprehended, and the threat he posed was neutralized. Ethan's quick thinking and unwavering loyalty had saved the day, proving once again the extraordinary capabilities of the Smart Soldier program. In the depths of the sprawling facility, Ethan and his team huddled around a massive holographic display, poring over the intricate data they had managed to extract from the enemy's impregnable base. The atmosphere was thick with tension as they dissected the inner workings of the weapon system, their minds racing to unravel its complexities. As they delved deeper into the analysis, a chilling realization washed over them. This was no ordinary weapon system. It was a marvel of artificial intelligence, designed to adapt and learn at an alarming rate. Conventional strategies would be futile against such an unpredictable adversary. The stakes had never been higher, and the weight of responsibility pressed down on Ethan's shoulders. Determined to find a solution, Ethan called upon the brightest minds in the program, assembling a team of top scientists, each an expert in their respective fields. Together they embarked on a relentless pursuit of knowledge, brainstorming, and experimenting tirelessly. Days bled into nights as they delved into the intricate algorithms and underlying principles that governed the AI's behavior. Through countless iterations and relentless trial and error, a glimmer of hope emerged. They discovered a potential vulnerability, a hidden weakness buried deep within the AI's architecture. It was a complex and audacious plan, one that required precision, timing, and a level of coordination that seemed almost impossible to achieve. But Ethan refused to give up. He gathered his team and laid out the strategy, his voice filled with both determination and a hint of desperation. With hearts pounding and hands trembling, they set the plan into motion. Every member of the team played a crucial role, executing their tasks with flawless precision. Lines of code danced across countless screens as they navigated through the labyrinthine layers of the AI's defense mechanisms. The clock ticked down relentlessly as they pushed the limits of their capabilities, knowing that any misstep could spell disaster. Finally, the moment of truth arrived. Ethan's fingers hovered over the final command, his breath catching in his throat. With a deep breath, he executed the sequence, unleashing their meticulously crafted countermeasure into the heart of the AI. Tense seconds stretched into an eternity as they waited for a response. Then, a ripple of disruption coursed through the system. Warning klaxons blared as the AI struggled to comprehend the unexpected assault. It lashed out erratically, but the countermeasure held firm, neutralizing its attacks and gradually bringing it under control. The tension in the room dissipated as relief washed over Ethan and his team. They had done it. They had outwitted the seemingly invincible AI. As the dust settled, Ethan couldn't help but feel a sense of awe and gratitude. He had witnessed firsthand the indomitable spirit of human ingenuity and perseverance. It was a victory not just for his team, but for humanity as a whole, a testament to the power of collaboration and unwavering determination in the face of adversity. This is the end of the second part. Wait for the third part. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and activate the bell to receive all our updates. Thank you all.